Hey there everyone, this is Maria Young reporting live from Central Florida. Today what I wanted to talk to you guys all about is life strategies. I mean, really taking hold of the fact that you are brilliant, that you have enough creative energy within you to come up with so many creative ideas and inventions on how to succeed in life, how to work out your problems. Because in life, oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how many problems and dilemmas and issues will come our way. So we have to be the problem solvers of life. One of the things that I will have to ask you guys to do, if you're dealing with an issue that's hindering your success, that's hindering your happiness, that's hindering your potential of really becoming the best that you can be and really enjoying life to the fullest, don't ignore that problem, because that problem can be the very wall that's going to prevent you from living the happy life that you deserve. One thing I have to say is, I know when things are stressful, when we're under the gun and under pressure and we just don't like the feeling of discomfort, we have the tendency to just want to give up and give in, and we think that it's just so much easier for us to turn our heads and simply look away and just not even acknowledge the problem. But can I tell you folks, when you don't acknowledge that problem, it becomes a monster, and you definitely don't want it to become so out of hand that when you do realize it's a major issue, it just seems like a mountain that you can no longer tackle. So folks, that's one thing, is definitely, if you have a problem and an issue, realize it for what it is, that it is very, very important that you find a solution and you resolve that issue. I have to tell you folks, if there is a will, there definitely is a way, and I think you're brilliant enough to find that solution. Also, I want to tell you folks, and I know you already know, but you have to understand, if you want a different result, get rid of those bad habits that you're doing, because you can't continue to do the same thing and expect something different. Can I tell you folks, it won't happen. No matter how badly you want it to happen, it won't. Turn over a new leaf. Start adding new things to your life. Just be open to doing things that you would never even have imagined that you do. But maybe that's what's hindering you from succeeding and resolving these issues and problems that you have, because you haven't stretched yourself out into just really embracing the opportunity of doing that different thing, because you've been so put on such a path where these bad habits have made you continue to do the same thing over and over and over again. Folks, do something different. Do something different. I guarantee you, if you start putting in new strategies, you will begin to get new results. Folks, I want you guys to live the happiest, most successful life possible. I want to tell you guys, and in order for you to be able to do that, you have to be as creative and as brilliant as possible. You cannot let life outsmart you. You cannot become discouraged, and you cannot allow life to beat you up. Because if you do, life will take advantage of you and it will literally beat you to death. Not meaning that you will die, but you know what? You don't have to have a funeral. You don't have to be buried to be dead. There's many amongst us that are walking dead. There's many amongst us that like to be perceived like everything's a-okay, but knowing deep down inside that they're dying. Folks, you have to live strong and fight hard and do whatever it takes that you will be able to accomplish your dreams, your desires, and all of your ambitions. And you have exactly what it takes to do that. But you have to believe in yourself, and of course, again, open up your mind and widen your horizon. Folks, I ask you today, do something different. This has been Maria Young, reporting live from Central Florida, saying to you, it's all about you.